What is going on, everyone? In today's video we are going to show you how to download the game Elden Ring on your PC. So what we will do is go to Google and type in Elden Ring. After that click on enter, and now the first search result is Elden Ring on Steam. Click on that one, and after you have opened the game page you simply can check out the videos, check out some screenshots and read some information about this game. Definitely don't forget to check out the requirements for your computer, because it's very important when you download and play games. After you have decided to download this game, simply click on to cart. After that, view my cart and continue the payment process. So hopefully this video was very helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next video. Cheers!